Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and today I am going to be doing my April favorites video. Now, I used to do makeup baskets weekly on this channel. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. I just don't know if I could do them weekly because I don't know if I change up my products enough. I may have to do them monthly now. This one is going to be more of like a recap of just all of the products, a little bit of entertainment and fun stuff thrown in as well. And a lot of it's been more skincare related because I haven't been wearing as much makeup lately, especially due to what's going on with the COVID situation. But I did make a list of some April favorites for you guys. And let's start out with moisturizer. So this is a new product to me. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And you guys, this is such a cute little moisturizer. It comes in this nice little glass bottle. It has a little pump as well, so it's really easy to apply. And I've been using this as a night moisturizer. So after I get out of the shower, I put this on. It's very light. It has like a gel-like consistency, so it sinks into my skin really quickly. And it has a very gorgeous like light pink watermelon scent. And again, this is like the small version. I purchased this on Sephora. And it was just such a lovely product. So it really inspires me to get more information on Glow Recipe products. So please leave in the comments below, do you wear anything else from Glow Recipe or use anything else? I would definitely be interested in looking more into this brand because it was very nice, just felt very, very clean, very like a light scent, nothing overpowering, but really nice if you like a true watermelon scent. Next up for kind of like a skincare, face care product, this is the Clinique Blackhead Solutions. This is the 7-day pore or deep pore cleanse and scrub. It has salicylic acid in it as well. So I actually love like really tiny exfoliants for the face, like really not harsh exfoliants, but really, really small size exfoliants. This one is really nice. So I got this product, I want to say either in my last Sephora Play Box or in my last Ipsy bag. And I just put this in my shower to try it. It actually has like a blue consistency. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I will try to pop it up on the screen. It actually has like a little bit of a light blue color, which is kind of cool. I don't know why that excites me, but the micro scrub in there is very, very nice. It's not too harsh. I don't find that it leaves any kind of weird film on my face. I just find it very refreshing and again, helps get that dead skin off. I've been using this every night in my shower. And again, just really, really like it. I am a fan of Clinique. I actually feel like when it comes to skincare products, they often have really good clinically tested stuff. So, and they've been around for years. My mother uses Clinique, and I think that's like where I kind of like started looking into Clinique. And I don't know, there's just a range of stuff. I really even have some things I want to try out from their brand that are new. Next up, guys, let's talk about lip butters and lip masks. So I have been raving about this in every single video that I've made where I do makeup. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss lip butter. If you guys have not tried this yet, oh my gosh, you need to. It is so beautifully scented. Again, it has that like bum cream kind of smell. It smells very tropical, has a very like hearty scent, and it lingers on your lips. I put this on when I wake up in the morning before I do my makeup. I put it on sometimes even at night, although I have another one that's even better for at night. But this is just a really big like lip balm. Like you get more product than an average tiny lip balm. It's like jumbo size. Just love this. I love the scent and I love what it does. It really does hydrate your lips. It lingers with that smell. I guess you do have to like the smell to like this product, but if you do like any of the Sol de Janeiro type of scents, you're gonna really like this. Now, another lip product that I recommend is the Laneige Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask. This is in the original scent. I want to say, I think it's a strawberry scent, and this is just kind of like a gel, kind of like a gel-based like lip one. And again, this is in the mini version, and I've dug my finger in here quite a few times now. This I do use at night, and I find it to be super, super nicely scented. Again, it does have like a strawberry sweet smell. They come in other scents. I have 2 other scents, but this original I think is like my favorite. And what I find is that when I put this on at night, I feel very good. I feel like they're coated really nice. But in the morning, when I rub my lips together, I still feel some moisture. It doesn't feel dry. So this has just been a really fun product to use. I've never really had Laneige products before, but I'm very, very happy with how this turned out. Alrighty guys, and a lot of this new makeup is, I feel like, stuff that I got in like a box or like a subscription service. This surprised me. I have been such a believer in the Kat Von D black felt tip eyeliner for years. This honestly, I think, is replacing that for me. This is the Sex Kitten from Tarte felt tip eyeliner. And let's just appreciate the packaging on this. There is a little cat head here. How cute is that? Absolutely adorable. But the important thing about this product is that it gives you just a nice felt tip, very dark black Stark eyeline. I find this to go on smoother than the Kat Von D does, and I get a really nice precise line with it. I am just like kind of sold on this. So like I'm gonna ride this train for a while. I feel like I am going to have this as a favorite in my collection for a while. Alrighty guys, another kind of like face product. This is something that I've actually purchased from this brand from many different types of like face cleaning towelettes. This is their new Yes to Watermelon, and it has light hydration. I love this as, again, something to just cleanse my face at the end of the day. This one comes, I want to say, with 40 wipes. It says it's 97% natural ingredients. I'm just a big fan of Yes To products, and I love their cucumber wipes. So when this new scent came out, I'm always interested in trying new ones. Really enjoyed the watermelon scent. Again, it's reminding me of summer and spring, and it just gives me a nice vibe. It's a very light scent, again, nothing overpowering, but it does a great job at removing your makeup. So I've been really enjoying this new scent that they have. Alright guys, so an interesting product that has surprised me in how much I've liked this. This was actually gifted to me by a group that I went and I spoke at. They gave me a little like welcome gift. This is the Bath & Body Works Sea Island Cotton. This is the 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream. Now I am not unfamiliar with body creams. I definitely am a fan of the Bath & Body shop. Bath & Body Works. I'm getting them confused. I've definitely purchased tons of like stuff from there, but this particular scent, Sea Island Cotton, I was surprised that I loved so much. It to me always was like a boring scent when I would smell it in the store, so I never would purchase anything. I'm like, no, I want something that's more powerful or more fun. But this is just so nice and light, but it has a beachy, fresh scent. And I have been using this as like a night moisturizer just for like my skin, like my arms. And I love how well like it mixes. Like, again, when you put it on, it just smells so light and it just helps me go to sleep. Like the scent is just very calming. And I don't know, like this is a surprise. I would not have thought I would have enjoyed this scent because in the past I would have thought it was too basic. But I really think that the Sea Island Cotton is quite nice if you're looking for something very clean, fresh, with a hint of like beachy scent. Alrighty guys, and another thing, we've been washing our hands a ton. This is also from the Bath & Body Works. This also was gifted to me. Somebody gave this to me and I just would never have picked this up because in passing, I don't remember liking the vanilla coconut scent, but this is their gentle foaming hand soap, and you guys, highly recommend the vanilla coconut. This smells, again, so nice, so light, but you do get the coconut, you do get the vanilla. The scent comes through so good. I used to not like the foaming stuff. I loved the other one that was more gel and like antibacterial looking. But the foaming hand soap during this time when you are washing your hands constantly, I actually have really liked. It's been very sensitive to my skin. I've washed my hands more than I've ever washed my hands in my life, it feels like. So I recommend the vanilla coconut. This has just been such a nice, pretty light scent. And I love tropical scents, but this is very, again, a sophisticated, nice one. It's not too fake smelling like some artificial scents. It's very natural smelling. Alright guys, so another random favorite that is not a beauty favorite I wanted to throw in. This is my DayDesigner planner. This is in the smaller version. It comes in a slightly bigger version. I am just in love with this. This is a strategic planner and daily agenda, and it's from January to December of 2020. So I have been using this to plan out my videos. I've been using this to pay my bills on time, just write down notes. I want to show you kind of like what the pages look like so you can kind of get a feel for the monthly and the in the daily plans, it does have like, you know, a monthly spread. And again, I use a lot of planning on the monthly spreads. I'd probably do much more in here on a monthly basis. But when you look at the individual days, they do a really good job of giving you, again, a list, a top 3. You can list all of your items, and I'm a big list maker, so they have a page for each day. And again, I have bought her planners before. Each also day has a quote on the top, which I find, again, very inspiring, very uplifting. And there's a section for notes at the bottom. So sometimes I just kind of like write down how I'm feeling that day, kind of track that. But it gives me a nice list making thing to do on a daily basis. So this is one of the reasons why like this planner has been a big favorite of mine. She just launched her, I think they're called academic planners. They start in July and go through the next year. So they go from 20 to 21. They came out with a really pretty orange, like it looks like a Florida orange cover, but I loved this rose cover, but I really, really want that orange cover. So hopefully she'll keep that for next year because I want that cover so bad. But again, just love her planners, really have enjoyed this. It's really helped me stay organized, and especially when you're at home and you feel like there's not, a lot of structure. Like I feel like I don't have a lot of structure in my life because everything's been so thrown off with schedules. This is really nice to like daily go in and write things I should be doing and keeping up with videos and all that kind of stuff. It's been a lot of fun. All right, guys, so I wanted to throw in just something that I've been watching because it's always fun to hear, I think, TV show recommendations. And one thing that somebody turned me on to that I have been obsessed with, and it's in its current 2nd season, it's called What We Do in the Shadows. It's an FX show, and it features vampires in a The Office type style mockumentary. So hilarious. So you have these 3 vampires that live together, they're roommates, and you have their like human person who helps them. I forget the name they call that person, but it is like just like hijinks and them not really fitting in but trying to fit in, but also like not being the best vampires that they could be. They have all these crazy storylines, but it's in a short format, so it's like a 30-minute show. I think you can watch it on Hulu, and it comes on Wednesday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern. I have just enjoyed it so much, and I love the Office style, how that's shot. Like if you loved The Office and you like kind of like, again, vampires and stuff like that, you are going to love this show because it's funny, but it's also got a dark tone to it as well, and I've just really enjoyed it. It's just something unexpected that, again, I'm looking for shows to keep me occupied, and that one has been a super fun one to watch. And guys, last up, I just have to mention this because I feel like, again, like I'm discovering new things when I'm stuck at home. So to not go outside, I have never actually used Uber Eats, the app. I always felt like I live so close to places, like I would never use that service. I think it's a cool service, but I would never use it. But since being in quarantine and like being afraid to go out and not really wanting to go pick up stuff, I have become so obsessed with Uber Eats. Like, it's my favorite thing to do is to order my food and have it delivered. Like, that is such a nice luxury that I feel like I never really put a lot of stock into, but to have it delivered to your door, you don't even have to leave your house. You can order so many things, and so many restaurants are now converting to Uber Eats that used to never like put themselves on Uber Eats because they're a very like either nice restaurant or they are more of a boutique-y type restaurant, like a local mom and pop. So many people have converted over to using it, and honestly, it just makes me so excited. So I've been getting a ton of food delivered, and it's been the best thing ever. So that's like my app of the month is Uber Eats. Alrighty guys, please share with me in the comments below what has been your favorite TV show for the month of April. What have you been doing? What have you been keeping yourself occupied with when you aren't working or just trying to like pass the time? I would love to talk with you there. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. Thank you so much for letting me share with you today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.